Sabarinath. I am coming from Tamil Nadu. I completed my undergraduate in Nandha Engineering College in Electrical and Electronic Department. Now my friend is suggested QSpiders for his job and placement activities. First I got job in my campus. It was a core company. I am studying triple. It was core company. My friend, I have more skills in IT also. So my friend suggested QSpiders. I come from QSpiders. I will think they don't give requirements like this. Many students are studying like that. But I came there. Atmosphere is very good. Grooming sessions and mock interviews and the staffs also very friendly. Also, it's helped me to got the job easy as soon as possible. I give very thanks to my Krishna sir, Abhijit sir, and my lovable ma'am. He's left his job now. He go for another company, Sushti ma'am, and thanks to HR Vidya ma'am and Kavya ma'am.